Hi, this is Kurt Anderson, the General Manager of Bob Baker Subaru in El Cajon. Just taking a few minutes to tell you about the Subaru Share the Love event that's going on now through January 3rd. For every new Subaru you buy, whether it's a 2010 or 11, Subaru is donating $250 towards a number of 5 charities. The 5 charities this year are ASPCA, Big Brothers, Habitat for Humanity, Ocean Conservancy, and the one we're sponsoring is Meals on Wheels. Next Friday, December 10th, we're having the Meals on Wheels barbecue and car wash, which is the free barbecue and car wash with minimum donation to Meals on Wheels. The barbecue's from 11 to 1 here at Bob Baker Subaru in El Cajon. And all the proceeds will benefit Meals on Wheels, which is doing a great cause, delivering 2 meals a day to a number of seniors here in El Cajon. If you'd like it further information, please give me a call. That's Kurt Anderson at Bob Baker Subaru in El Cajon at 619-440-0404.